SoundCloud, how to loop a song. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the SoundCloud application on your device, and if you've already downloaded and installed it, then make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. So let's go and search for SoundCloud. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So I'm going to tap and open, and also make sure that you're logged into your account in the application. So after that, the home screen will look something like this, where you can see more of what you like and the songs, the kind of artist that you want. So for example, if I'm going to go and listen to the song, I can just tap on the song over here. Let's see. Now it's playing because it shows now playing option. Now just tap on the song and you can see different options available at the bottom of the screen over here. So just tap on the second last option, which is this one over here. So just tap on it. You'll be led to the playlist of the tracks that you might like. If you want to play it on loop, what you can do is you can see the option of, now you just have to play the song first, and then you can see the option of loop over here at the top right corner. So just tap on it and all other songs will be now started to play on a loop. Now if you don't want to loop it, you want to unloop it, then you can just tap on that icon again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.